Hello folks and welcome back to another lesson. This is a continuation, part 2 if you will, of Got Me Wrong by Alice in Chains for Mr. Rick Conlin. There he is. Thanks Rick for your support over at Patreon, buddy. He wanted the solo for this one. At least I hope you did, Rick. Now Jerry's solo work in this is just phenomenal. There's loads of feel in this throughout. So let's have a closer look, shall we? So first little intro solo goes like this. Which is super awesomely lush. Okay, so you're going to start off 4th fret. So that comes in before the first beat, right? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Right, for that bend. Now I'm just banking my first finger on the 4th fret there. You're going to do a hammer on from the 4th to the 6th. And the bend on the 7th fret. I don't think there's any vibrato on that bend. Then you're going to do this. Which is awesome. So it's pre-bent. Pull off. Okay, as per the tab, right? I'm not going to spend ages on this. That's another pre-bend there. Okay, so slowly. So again to speed. 3, 4. Then you got this. Which is again some lovely phrasing. 4th fret again. That double stop again, I'm using the 4th fret on the G and B there. Then you got this double stop half step bend and release. Then 4, 6, 4. 6th fret on the D. With that rhythm. So that part again slowly. 3, 4. Next riff comes out of the chorus, which goes. Which again is lush. This one's all on the G string. Bend on the 9th fret. So you bend and release over 3 beats basically. 8, 9. And you got this. So that's 8, 9, 8, pull off, and then slide down to 6. Then 9, pull off to 6, and then 8. Okay, next riff goes like this. I think the phrasing's right on that one. Basically, so 19th fret, then you've got this. Okay, bend, release, pull off to the 16th. And then there's a bend straight away, but it's a really staccato bend. And then another. So bluesy. Then you've got this, which is I think the 14th fret on the D and the 19th fret on the E. And then okay, so that's 16, 19, then 19 bent release to 16, then 18, 16 on the next string down. One of the part the electric does play is that bit there's a fill that goes. Bit of Brian May action for you. Next riff goes like this. That is awesome. So the first phrase is. Right, so we've got 6th fret on the D for 2 beats, then hammer on, rest, then we've got 2 double stops there. Okay. Then a quick slide from the 4th fret down to the 2nd. And there's a really quiet. I think the slide is 9 to 4. So that's slowly. 3, 4. Then the outro solo is awesome. It's really hard to hear, but roughly it goes like this. That's the end, right? But I'll go through that slowly as well. We've got that's pretty straightforward. All from the 12th fret right on the B string. Bend. Then this is staccato. Then you've got this little run. That is. Okay, so that bit there is. So you've got a hammer on. And then that's 16, 14, then slide back to 16. 18th fret, and then a slide from the 16th to the 18th, and then down 16, 14. And you've got 14th fret on the A, and then the octave on the 16. Up to the 18th fret, right? 17th fret on the next string. 19th fret on the top string. Okay, so that's that last part. That bit's awesome. Then you've got another really bluesy run. It's quite tricky to get that bit in, I think. I think actually you could play. And you got this last run, which is. And you slide down to the 11th fret. So, that whole thing. That's the first part. Then you've got this. Right, and then the last part is. like that. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that one, everyone. And Rick, thanks again for your support. See you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.